Cleaning the sprockets. To clean off the sprockets after using the chainsaw, begin by removing the battery. Take the chain cover off by rotating the lock bolt counterclockwise. Next, loosen the chain by turning the tension knob counterclockwise and remove the bar and chain from the mounting surface to expose the sprockets. Using a firm bristle brush, sweep off the shavings from the chainsaw as well as the bar and chain. When finished cleaning off the tool, simply replace the bar and chain back on the chainsaw. Turn the chain tensioning knob clockwise until the assembly is fastened. Replace the cover and secure it with the lock bolt.